guys, so I'm back with my final review for today, and I'm trying to get into it. I'm really trying to get into it. This is a headband wig by Bobbi Boss. This is one of the active headband wigs, and she's called, where's the name? One second. She's called M1013. Oh, EMMALYNN. It just looks like two different words. EMMALYNN, and I have her in the color T1B/30. This is it right here. And guys, this one is a little bit different because I don't think I've ever gotten a headband wig like this. This is a locked style, so it's like a goddess lock, so it has locks at the tops and at the ends it's curly, like loose curly hair. So it's a little bit different from what we're used to. Usually we get like loose hair when it comes to the headband wigs, either curly or straight. We don't really get the lock ones, right? But anyway, this is a lock headband wig, and the reason why I said that I'm trying to get into it is because the top is really bulky. As you guys can tell, it just looks really high, and that's because the top is very bulky. I guess they tried to make it really thick and stuff like that, but I think they could try again with the lock wigs. You know, when it comes to braided hairstyle and lock hairstyles, it's a little bit complicated, and I say complicated because like you just have to know how to construct it in order for it to look good and not look too spacious in between or unrealistic in between. It kind of takes a lot when it comes to the braided and the locked wigs, like the pre-braided wigs. So I would say that they need to go back and try to make it a little bit different, a little bit less bulky up top, because the bulk is not really doing it for me. Like, of course you can get it like a high, you can get like a high type of look if that's what you're going for, or if you want to like pull it up into like a ponytail or something, you can definitely do that. But for those of you who would just want to wear it down like me right now, yeah, I'm finding a hard time trying to, you know, make it look possible. Let me see. I don't know, but guys, let me talk about these headbands that I'm wearing right now. I showed you in my last review, I know that, but I'm still gonna show you guys again. This is a pink one that I'm wearing right now. It comes in other colors, so you can get the black, you can get the blue, you can get the green or the yellow. They're really pretty colors, really nice for the summer, and they're like blingy. When I say blingy, they have pearls on them, and they have like some silver balls on them as well. So they're really nice that you can use. You don't have to commit to the whole headband going all the way around your head. You can just slide it on and slide it off because it's so easy to come on and come off. Let me just take one off. Well, take this off. You see, you just pull it and it's off, and it's really like loose. It's not, when I say loose, it wouldn't just fall off your head, but it is loose in a term that it's easy to come off, easy to come off, easy to go on. Okay, so this is kind of what it's looking like, and I will link it down in the description box below. Like I said, you don't have to commit to the whole headband. Oh my goodness, the hair keeps hooking on the little beads. I hope you don't pull it out, but geez. Okay, I guess I'm putting on the last one and that's it. Probably I should put on the green or the blue. Green or blue? I think green. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just leave this on for the rest of the review. But anyway, like I said, you could go and purchase this. I will link it in the description box down below. It's really cute, and you can wear it with any headband wig or any half wig, or even with your natural hair. You can definitely wear that. Anyway guys, this is pretty much it. When it comes to the construction of this one, the headband itself is really silky. It has more of a silkier texture. I've seen that a lot on the Bobbi Boss headband wigs. And the back of it is a elastic band, so it's an adjustable elastic band. So if you want to tighten it or loosen it, you could do that. And the cap itself comes with one huge comb in the middle up top, one at the back, and you do have a stretchable mesh net material cap. So the cap can fit any head size. I would have preferred it to have a little bit more combs, and that's really crazy for me to say because I don't like combs. But with the construction and everything, like with the elastic band and not the adjustable straps, it's kind of making it hard. Like everything is just so loose with this wig. I think it would have been so much better if they had added like at least 2 extra combs up top right here just to secure everything down. But anyway guys, let me know what you think about this one. Like I said, I'm not really a fan of it because of how bulky it is up top, but let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're into this. I think the whole lock style is cute, but they just need to redo it in terms of construction. The amount of locks that I'm getting is a lot. Like even if they have to like cut down on the amount of locks that's there, I think that could have been a little bit better, or probably use like regular tracks. And if they use regular tracks and they lock it, like they lock on the tracks and then they stitch it on, I think that would still be better than, you know, this whole bulky feeling that I'm getting right here. That is actually exactly what they did, but they sewed the tracks so close together. That's why it's looking a little bit bulky, but I did not know that while I was reviewing this wig. But that's exactly what they did. They used tracks and they locked on the track itself. But yeah, like I said, they just stacked it a little bit too close together, so that's why it's really bulky up top. But like I said, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. We'll chat it up there. If you are interested and you would like to purchase it, I will link it in the description box down there so you can check it out. But thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us. Oh, by the way, sorry, before I end this review, it came with an extra headband. You guys know the Bobbi Boss headband wigs, they usually give you an extra headband inside. I didn't use it because I wanted to show you guys the ones that we carry, which is those bling ones right here. But yeah, it comes with an extra headband inside, so you would get a headband once you purchase this wig. But anyway, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.